Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? How are you today? Now on today's video, we're going to be doing something that I saw a couple of days ago, and ever since I've just been dying to do it, and finally I got to sit down, play around with some colors, and get a little creative. So I saw on Instagram this hashtag tie-dye makeup, and I've been dying to recreate it. So today on the eyes, we're going to be going for a tie-dye rainbow effect. And with that being said, and without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? So just to start, as a base for the eyes, we're going to be going in with Clown White by Ben Nye and an M166 brush, and just dabbing this all over the eyelids to make sure those colors really pop later on. Now going in with an M173 in the color Flashback from the James Charles palette, we're just going to set that white. Now with an M433, we're going to go into the color Single down here, and we're just going to put that all the way up, leaving just a tiny little line to highlight that brow bone later. Now going in with an M456 in the color Playground over here, we're just going to put that right underneath the purple and brush it upward a little bit. Next, gonna go in with the color Social Blade down here, and in the windows of where we flicked up the blue, I'm gonna flick up some green. And with that same brush, we're gonna go into the color Daddy right next to it and just quickly cut the crease with it. Now going in with an M431 brush, we're going to go into the color B and flick that in the windows of the green and just clock it in there. Now grabbing the M124 in the color 815 and dabbing that in between the windows of the yellow. And finally grabbing an M456 brush and dipping that into some You're Kidding and a little bit of Skip and going right above the lid. Also going to be winging that out. Now with an M431 brush, we're going to be going into a little bit of Flashback and some ring light and popping that baby in the inner corner and brow bone. Now grabbing an M250-1 and some Spooky, we're just going to be adding a little wing to the corner. Now going in with the CoverGirl Perfect Blend, we're going to line our waterlines and smudge that out for a sexy smoky effect. Now I'm just quickly gonna put on some mascara. Now going in with the Jeffree Star Love Me Not collection. I'm just gonna go into the color Wifey over here. And now setting all of this using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And yeah guys, this concludes my video for the tie-dye makeup challenge. I really had a good time filming this. I wasn't exactly sure how it was gonna turn out, but I'm glad it turned out like this soft, you know, kind of ready for Coachella, ready for a festival. It's funky, it's fun, it's groovy, and I had a great time making it. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button down below. I drop a new video every Wednesday, and I'll see you guys next time on me channel.